Hey everybody,
Hi,
welcome back. For this one, Izzy showing me how to draw
King
King
from our house.
from our house.
Yep,
Here we go.
yep. Y'all watching this?
So Izzy, you started watching Owl House?
Yeah, I'm season 2 now.
Season 2.
And
Okay.
episode 7, but I have to wait for my mom.
You have to wait for mom to watch episode 8? Okay,
That's
show us
it.
how to draw King.
Okay. Okay, first we do dot on the upper little bit right.
Okay, so top right.
Yeah,
And we do a little nose shape that's almost like a heart shape. Okay, so I'm gonna draw that. Okay.
Then we gonna draw this. Sharp. Make it sharp. Not like that.
Okay, so a sharp shape under this like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we will do. Then we gonna draw a pointy oval or diamond shape.
Okay, a pointy oval or diamond shape. So like that. Yeah.
Yeah, that is teeth.
Oh, it's a tooth. Okay.
Yeah. Then we gonna continue the part and then move it to the right and make another tooth, but like this.
Okay, so we're gonna take this part, we're gonna take it up there, move it over there, and now I draw another tooth this side. Okay.
Now we gonna start drawing king face.
Okay, so the
Make me eyes.
Okay. Show me.
Okay. We gonna draw like this and this. That's the eyes.
Okay, so it's eye.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw kind of shape going up there, and I draw an eye there and bring that back down.
Yes.
Okay.
And so don't forget other people.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the pupil in the middle, just there. Okay.
Then we will draw the circle.
Is that the rest of his head, his skull?
Yes. Keep on.
Okay.
Then we will draw this and draw that to connect this.
Okay, so we do the bottom part here and do a bump to connect.
Yes. Then you may add a teeth, but I'm gonna make baby king.
So you're making baby king. So what's the difference?
Well, baby king have like a big pupil.
Okay, so I'm also gonna go baby king, big pupil. Yeah.
Yes.
And now.
Now, well, I want you to like there two different of baby king. First, he pupil and second, he teeth.
Okay. Okay. Pupil and the teeth are the differences.
Yes.
Okay.
Then we will draw another one of the eye, but make it like this.
So I draw another circle for an eye here. With another, okay, with a darkened edge here.
Yes, that is the inside of the eye, inside of the skull.
Okay, so it's the inside of the eye socket on the skull.
Yes.
And a big pupil again. Okay.
Then we will color in the nose and the eye socket.
I'm coloring this nose part here. Yeah, and that eye socket up
Yes.
there. Okay, I see.
Then we gonna draw a horn. And then like this.
Okay, so his horns just goes back there. And another one. I see I kind of ran out of space here. And just another one. Okay.
Then we will make a fluff
Just a bit of like fur.
Then connect this one.
Okay, so I can connect that there.
Then we done his head.
Okay, so that's his head.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Now we gonna make the collar.
Okay.
But first we gonna draw a thin oval.
Yeah. What is that?
That way. Then draw a little circle.
A little circle around there.
Now big circle.
Big circle. Okay.
Then we will finish off by doing this.
So that's his collar, and is that like a tag on his chain, on his
Yes.
collar? Like a pet would have.
Yes.
Okay. My neck is weird. Okay, there we go.
Yes. Now we gonna draw the arm. Make a long dick and make a tiny circle and do this and yeah.
Okay, so from the collar here, I'm gonna go long down, come in with a tiny little curved line there, and then up again.
Yes. Then we gonna make key finger, aka sharp fingers.
So it's got like claws.
Yes, correct.
Okay. That's my claws.
Yep.
So he's a scratchy guy. Can he scratch? Okay.
Then we will make his feet. Watch it learn. Draw. He draw the tick.
Okay, the straight line again. Yeah.
Then make a rounded triangle
Yeah.
and make that then.
Rounded triangle and like a is that a toenail?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then make another one. Like this. I haven't done the key.
Okay, so like that.
Like he short.
Okay, so he's a short guy.
Yes. E-A-E-O.
And his leg goes there.
And we will make his fat tummy.
So we've got a fat tummy.
Yes.
Okay, so I draw this tummy onto that leg shape there. So I come down and fat tummy and onto that leg. Okay.
Now draw a triangle and make another one, but behind it, then connect this and yeah, put out each other.
Okay, so I draw a triangle like you say, like that,
Yeah.
and then another little one behind it, and then when I draw two lines upward, I got myself another leg.
Yes.
Here we go. I
Yep.
can see the shape.
Now we gonna draw this
Yeah.
and yeah.
Okay, so that's his other arm that's stuck behind it, just about showing.
Yes.
So it comes down and you just make like a claw, like a fingernail, and there.
Now for the final part, the tail.
The final part is his tail. Okay, so show me.
Wait, I need to. Wait, now we gonna make a big fluffy tail.
Okay, so a big fluffy tail. Can I go big on you?
A little big.
And I can just join it.
You can make him
Okay.
dog to a squirrel.
What is he? What is King? Is he a dog or a squirrel or what is he?
Demon.
Is he so he's neither. Okay. So now what is he? Do we
Yeah, that is.
add a line by his stomach?
We had to colors.
Okay, so we just-
the reason why I didn't
Okay.
make a line, you know.
So you didn't add the lines because we'll do that in color.
Yes.
But I think on mine, I'm just gonna try and add a faint line. So I think his tummy line is there, right?
Yeah.
So there. See, I barely touched, and I'm gonna add some, just like that, and then so that you can at least see. So my color is gonna change there as well.
Yep. By when you then put 2 episodes of normal show.
Yeah. Whenever you're ready, you must just let me know when we're gonna do that.
I already ready
Okay.
since
So
the episode came out.
Didn't we put it on? How many episodes do we have on of
2.
normal show? Only 2. So you've got 2 more for me.
Yeah.
Okay, so
But you need to find it.
I need to upload 2 episodes of normal show.
Yes.
That's Easy's little skit episode show.
Yes. Well,
series.
well, me and my friend make a collab, but not for YouTube.
Okay, so you did something together.
Yes.
Okay, so before we color, we're gonna ask everybody to please drop us a like and please consider subscribing to the channel.
Yep.
And we hope to hear from you, so leave a comment.
Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Time for color.
Yes.
Here we go.
Well, I color purple I like yellow, but
So yellow eyes.
yeah.
Where does the purple go? Around the pupil.
Yes.
Okay, purple goes around the pupil. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's King from the Owl House.
Yes.
So Easy, you're on season 2 now and you're waiting for mom to watch episode 8.
Yes.
Oh, so watch episode 7. Okay, so maybe next time we can look at another character, or who else is there in the show that you like? What's that owl guy's name?
I did draw Hooty.
Is his name Hooty?
Yes.
Okay, so we can.
Which I can show you guys.
You can show us next time when we draw Hooty as well. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
King of Demon. Bye.